funky.
Hi everybody, this is Pierre, back another day with another unboxing, or actually in the middle of the night. It's 4 in the morning and I just woke up. And I have already got my 3 hours of sleep, so I thought might as well do an unboxing video. Here I have 2 packages that I just picked up from Odentia. And my plan is to do 5 videos out of this, maybe even more. And I don't know what is in what, so we will just open them both. Through all the years, I've said to Patrick at Odentia and to everyone that I really don't like in-ear headphones. For many reasons. Comfort-wise, they don't have the bass, etc, etc. And now he told me, you have to try these. And when Patrick says something that he's really excited about, I get excited. So here we have 3 headphones from NXEars. That is their whole collection. So we have the cheaper Sonata, I'm pretty sure that they are named. And the middle range called Basso. It doesn't say anything on the box which is which. Yeah, Basso, Sonata. No, this is the Opera. Opera is the expensive one. I thought the expensive one was going to be in this box. And then, all right, okay, so the Sonata is a smaller one. So I'm gonna, this video is going to be the unboxing about those 3 headphones. I'll do what I can to present them. And then I'm gonna do a single review per headphone. And I'm even more excited about what's in this box, but that will also be a separate video. So NXEars, the guy behind the headphones, has been with another company for 20 plus years, I think. And he did his own thing and are greatly rewarded already. The Sonata, I'm probably mispronouncing that really bad. Sonata is 200 euro. The Basso is, I think, 500. And the Opera is 800 euro for a pair of in-ear headphones. 800 euro. So I really hope that they're going to blow my mind. So let's open them up. I'm going to change the camera view and let's see what's in the box. The Opera one looks really cool. Really cool. And it's kind of fun that on the outside of the box, they look exactly similar. I'm unsure if this is some kind of pre-production boxes, or if they just keep it simple to put all the money on the product and not spend too much money on the boxes, which I prefer that they do. Yeah, if you buy 800 euro headphones, I would expect some kind of special unboxing experience, but it looks much more serious like this. that you get the feeling that they haven't spent any unnecessary money on the boxing and all the money on the products. Let's see. As I said, the man behind NXEars has been in the industry for at least 20 years. He worked with New Force, New Prime, the well-known Optima, and has been awarded for his technology many times during these years. The main goal with these in-ear headphones is to solve the so-called occlusal effect. The occlusal effect is one of the main reasons why I hate in-ear headphones. You know, when you have in-ear headphones and you hear your own noises, like chewing, swallowing. When you walk, it sounds like your head is shaking, etc., etc. These sounds is what we call the occlusal effect. So this technology with these headphones is that we have a increased loudness on low volumes, if I understand it correctly. So just like with great speakers, you will hear the full range, mid, bass, treble, even at low volumes. So this is the main thing with these. So let's start with the so-called cheap ones, the Sonata. Sonata features a single full range balanced armature driver with the patent pending aporetical whatever ground loading. I will post links to everything, so don't worry if I butcher the name and the technology. But you can have these in 3 colors, I'm pretty sure: black, green, and red. And you can have them with real carbon fiber. This is so cool. And with a really big plug. This is like a jewelry. Really cool. And let's go to the headphones. Of course, you can use this travel pouch with the headphones in it as well later. We have a bunch of different plugs, because as you know, with in-ear headphones, the most important thing is that you find the right size for your ear canals. So the plugs. And here we have the headphones. Nice carbon fiber, very light, very light. I have to check the website for what it weighs. And you just plug in the cables. It doesn't say which one is the right or left, but I guess it's just like that. All right. So on to the next one. And here we have the Basso that has a 4BA feature, I think it was called. And they cost between 500 and 550 euro, depending on what cable you choose to have with them. You can choose, this was a tough one. You can choose between copper cable and silver cable. And the face plate of these are real copper. And that is supposed, oh, this was nice. And the copper of the faceplate is supposed to do something with the sound. It's supposed to help with the sound. So I'm curious about that. Now this is a travel pouch, a hard case, fitted for the headphones. This was nice. I don't know if this is the silver cable. I think this is the silver cable. I'm pretty sure that the copper cable would be another color. This was really cool. And it has 2 of the biggest Knowles woofers installed in them. And they are slightly bigger than the Sonata. It looks like they are more adjusted for your ear canal. Cool things, very cool things. So pricing, as said, was between or 500 or 550 euro, depending on the cable that you choose to get with them. And then we have the big boys, the absolute top of the line in-ear headphones, the latest greatest technology. They have already been awarded with Editor Choice 2022. So this is going to be, so here we have the copper cable. So that's what the copper cable looks like, just as assumed. But this must be something really special. I mean, 800 euro. Just look at this. This is a jewelry. This is so cool. I don't know if you can see that with the bad lighting, but I'm really excited to try these. Really excited. So that's the full range of NXEars headphones. I'm gonna try them all and make a video each about them. And of course I'm gonna start off with the cheap one, and then the mid-range, and then top of the line. So I don't start off with the best and then think that they are nothing special at all, because I'm pretty sure that even these are really special. And we should not forget the mid-range, but I'm so excited to try these. But with these, since I'm going to try them both with my DAC at the computer, my Matrix Audio DAC, and with my iPhone, then we come to the next package. As usual, I'm gonna take a couple of days to try each headphone because I like to try different environments, different kind of music, different things to listen from. And for the first time, I'm also going to try Tidal. I'm so tired with Spotify. I haven't taken the step to Tidal yet, but I will do that now. So I know that these will be fed with the best possible audio. But if you have anything special that you want to know about the headphones, let me know, because I said this video will be uploaded, and the next in a couple of days, and a couple of days, and a couple of days. So you have time to post your request. Thanks for watching my unboxing of NXEars. Stay tuned for the next video.